Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Here's the explanation and the solution to the problem. Feel free to pause the video to read through the explanation. Let's adjust the code now and watch the outcome it yields. And bingo! The code performs perfectly, and our output is just right. The error has been fixed. That wraps up our video for today. If this video was of help, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more programming fix videos. Keep the curiosity alive, keep growing, and happy programming to all.